Good day, everyone. My name is Melissa. And this tornado is a part of a series of tornadoes that have developed in the city of Moore, Oklahoma in the past 2 days. The tornado is approximately a half mile north of 19th Avenue, and we ask that everyone remain calm and know that there are several storm shelters we recommend that the general population use. Inside of these shelters, we have food, water, portable lights, blanket, pillows, and cots for everyone to use. This tornado is not changing direction and will be heading your way soon. This tornado is very catastrophic with strong wind and rain that have caused 100 citizens in the local area to be injured and 70 deaths already. There are several individuals within your local areas that decided not to evacuate the premises that are now facing tragic incidents. We advise each of you to evacuate the premises and make your way to the shelters located in the center of the city. There will be individuals at the shelter to assist the families with getting settled in and reducing any panic can attack. We want everyone to know that FEMA and others are doing what we are doing to mitigate the problem. We have formulated emergency support teams. We have created a national as well as regional management assistance teams to curb the situation that you all are encountering. We have created a multi-agency management center which provides general coordination of federal response to disasters as well as emergencies. We have increased the awareness regarding the areas that are likely to be affected by the tornadoes and established preventive measures. The National Disaster Medical System provides ally and medical care to victims. We have a blood drive set up inside of each shelter for volunteers to donate blood to those that may be seriously injured. We have the military personnel involved so that they can escort majority of the population to safety. Preventive measures that we suggest is creating an emergency kit, creating a plan of action for the families on matters regarding shelter, where first aid kits are located among other actions. Maintaining stress by removing weak branches from trees around the yard. Stay away from windows. That's if you decide to stay in the premises. We also recommend if you do decide to stay in your home on your own premises, then we ask that you, if you have a basement attached, make sure that you go in the basement for safety measures. Identify any escape routes just in case if your home gets destroyed. Seek information related to tornadoes from the media. And just stay tuned in for any update on the weather and the category of this tornado. Those people living in the areas where tornadoes always occur should always be prepared to manage a disaster.